And I got this email from OctaFX that says withdrawal_cash has added $29.81 US to the trading account that you copied. Does this mean that I have actually made money on OctaFX? I think I want to find out. So I am sure that you have seen a lot of adverts on the internet about OctaFX.
This is OctaFX, a new accessible platform to trade forex on global markets.
Cool.
And a lot of persons claiming to make money on this particular platform, right? Today we'll be diving into a highly debated topic that has been circulating the trading community. OctaFX, is it a scam or a legitimate trading platform? I know this is a question that has been on the minds of many aspiring traders, so I'm here to provide you with an in-depth analysis and my honest opinion. Now before we jump right in, let's clarify that this video is not sponsored by OctaFX or anybody in any way at all. I personally understand that trading platforms can be like a double-edged sword and they can make or break your trading experience. So what I intend to do in this video is actually open a trade, right? Particularly the copy trading, which OctaFX claims that you can actually copy expert traders and make money doing that. So I'm going to be copying expert traders and we're going to be seeing the results live in this particular video. My goal, however, is to empower you with the knowledge and insights necessary to distinguish between a scam and legitimate trading platform. So it's important for you to stay with me from beginning to the end of this video, as I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. As a matter of fact, at the end of this video, you are going to be making that decision for yourself whether this trading platform is a scam or legit. So if you see me for the first time, my name is Gerald. I'm maybe around making money online. So what I do is that I try things out, they work. I come right here, I show you guys exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same and of course get the exact same result. So that's it, guys. It's important for you to smash the like button of this video, subscribe to my channel, most importantly, turn on the bell notification button. And at the end of this video, I want you to go to the comment section and let me know if OctaFX is scam or a legitimate website. You are going to make that decision yourself. So let's jump right in and set up an account, open a trade, and see if we actually do make money with OctaFX. So the first thing you need to do is to click on the first link in this video description, and it's going to take you straight to the interface that you're looking at on my screen right now. So once you come here, this is your OctaFX interface. Now, I am really interested in this copy trading because this is what OctaFX claims, that you can just make money on OctaFX without actually having any knowledge of trading at all. So what they preach is that you can actually copy a master trader who is actually making money on OctaFX, and once they make a trade, the trade will be applied to your capital and you're going to be making profit as they're making profit as well. We're going to be practicalizing that in today's video to actually find out if this actually does well. But first things first, you need to set up an account. So all you need to do is to come here, click on sign up, right? Put in your email address here, your password here, and of course, confirm that you're not a US citizen. Click on sign up to actually set up an account. But I already have an account, so I'm just going to go to login and actually log into my account with my email, my password, and I hit login to log into my OctaFX account. It is that simple. Now I'm logged in right here, yeah? I'm logged in right here. And right here, you see that I have a deposit of $39, which I already deposited. But let me walk you guys through how to deposit before we actually get to actually trading and finding out if this actually works, if it's actually a scam or if it is legit. So I'm going to come here right now and hit on deposit, right? You want to make a deposit, I hit on deposit. Now, there are a lot of ways to deposit. Nigerian local banks, Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, ERC20, Instant Bank Transfer, Litecoin, Tether, ERC20, Skrill, Neteller, and Tether TRC20. Now, my favorite method of depositing is this Instant Bank Transfer. And there's a reason why I love it. Now, let's say I want to deposit, the minimum I can deposit is actually 15,000 Naira. So let's say I want to deposit 20,000 Naira. I just click on 20,000, which is $26, and I hit continue, right? What it's going to do is that you're going to be selecting the bank where you want to deposit from. Let's say you want to deposit from, I normally use GT Bank, for all this kind of stuff. I select GT Bank here and hit continue, and it's going to generate, okay. So if you click on make a deposit right now, it is going to generate a bank account that you can deposit into. And once you deposit, automatically that money reflects on your OctaFX account. It's actually very seamless. So this is it right here. Once you click I understand right here, they're going to generate an account for you. This is a bank account. So you make a transfer into this account, right? This account name, this is the bank, Wema Bank. And immediately they'll know that you actually made a deposit, and the deposit will reflect onto your account almost immediately, right? And then the amount you're going to pay is 20,000 Naira. So right now, this account is expecting 20,000 Naira. And once you actually do that, of course, that's what you need to do. Easy peasy, right? I'm going to close it because I already deposited money into my OctaFX account. So let's go and copy a trader to actually see if this works. So I'm going to come down right here where it says copy trading. I'm going to click on copy trading. This is very easy to do. You got copy trading right here. Now, if you look at these guys, right, this guy is a high achiever, and he has made 12% gain all time. He has never lost any trade. That's what this means. And if you look at this place right now, you see that all time losses $0, profits $507. He has 1,903 persons copying him right now, and the commission is 29%. Okay, so this person right here, 47% gain all time. He has never lost any money, which is why he have 000. So these are all the high achievers. Now this guy has lost $5.29. He has gained over $15,000. Right? This makes sense. So, and if you go on and on, you're going to be seeing a whole lot of people like this. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy this guy that is ranking number 1 for this, right? Let's copy him and actually give him our money to actually trade with. And we're going to be finding out if this is scam or legit. Now, we're going to be finding out if when we actually give him money, if he will start losing at that particular point in time. We're going to be finding that out right now. Yeah? So I'm going to click on this guy, click on him. Right, this is loading up. Now, why this is happening, I'm actually sacrificing my $39 to actually do this, right? And if you appreciate that, I want to encourage you to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos, just like what you're watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly, guys, right? And thank you. So I'm going to come here right now and go to setup copying, right? I click on setup copying. Okay, so equal proportion. Okay, let me show you guys something. Right here, it says that minimum investment is $25. So if you have less than $25 in your OctaFX account, you cannot copy this trader. And the truth is that most copy traders, right here, most expert copy traders, as they're called, are actually their minimum balance is minimum investment is $25. So you have to have at least $25 before you can actually do this. So I'm going to come to setup copying, right? Setup copying. Now this is $25, which is required, right? Double $50 and triple $25. So we are going with one trading volume, which is $25, right? So I'm going to add support fund to protect your investment for unexpected market movement. I don't know what this means, but I have enough money. So let me just switch it on. So that means I'm spending $35 right now. So equal times 1, investment $25, support fund $10, total $35. I'm going to hit start copying. What's going to happen right now? OctaFX is going to start copying this particular trader and applying his trades to my capital as well. You know, and so when this guy makes money, I also make money. And if he loses, I also lose. But I don't expect him to lose. He's been winning all this while, right? Okay, so here I have a balance of $4.7, right? $4.07, you know, because I've actually copied a trader with $35, basically. So this is the copier area. This is where it shows everything that I have done, I should think. Yes, okay, this is guy I'm copying right now. Risk and everything, you know. Okay, so profit factor, 0, loss 0, profit, loss, buy, sell, and everything. So everything is still intact. So he has not applied any trade as of now, right? So what we're going to do is to wait for this guy to start trading with our funds. And let's find out if he's going to start losing money as soon as we give him money, right? Or if he's going to maintain his profit and actually make profit for us. So it's been 1 month. We started this video on the 7th of June, 2023. And today is the 18th of July, 2023. So it's actually over 1 month, right? And I got this email from OctaFX that says, withdrawal_cash has added $29.81 to the trading account that you copy. Does this mean that I have actually made money on OctaFX? I think I want to find out. So right here, he says, okay, this guy has added $29 to my account and this and this and that. And I'm wondering, okay, maybe I actually made $29 extra with OctaFX Copy Trading. Let's find out. So I'm just going to come here to OctaFX and click on login, right? Log into my account, log in here. Let's see what's going to happen. So it says you have not opened any trading accounts yet. This can be right. Let's go to dashboard. So right, I want to see my dashboard. So it says that I have $4.39 right here. So let's go to copy trading. Okay, so come to copy trading, copier area. That's where it should be, right? Copier area. And you see right here that I've actually lost. You see that I've actually lost all the money right here. So I have all the money. I've lost all my money again with OctaFX. And even though I've lost money, right, equity 0.32, the guy I'm copying, he says that I actually gained minus 99%, which means that I actually minus 99 means that you lost. So loss, they don't want to put loss here, right? This is smart. They don't want to put loss here. So they said gain minus 99. So if they put loss here, it would have been 99%. So I've actually lost 99.09% of my money on OctaFX. Damn, that's my hard-earned money, man. Okay. So this guy, he has started losing money. Profit is this. He has lost this, right? Risk cost 6, 29% commission, and this and this and that. So I've lost all my money basically, right? This is where he was making money. Then suddenly he started losing money, right? So he has lost all my money for me. Very convenient, quite convenient. 38 profit, 15 losses. Let's look at the history. So he lost everything, lost, load more. Let's see everything that he did. So this is on the 6th. Okay, gain, loss. The red ones are the losses and the green ones are the gains. And these are the losses and everything, and my money is finished. So I don't have any money left. I have basically $4.07, which I cannot withdraw because it doesn't even get to the withdrawal threshold, right? This is crazy. So I'm going to ask you a question right now. We put in money, we lost all our money. Do you think this is a scam? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you actually think that this is a scam? Or is it that I'm unlucky? Right? I've been unlucky the first time and unlucky the second time. Is it that I'm unlucky that I keep losing money, I keep choosing the wrong master copiers? Or is it that this actually is a scam, that the whole idea is for you to actually lose money on this particular platform? Have you ever tried OctaFX? Have you lost money on it? Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, guys.